coach, you did very well. You took us to AFCON. You took us now to the World Cup. Thank you very much. Then I'll get somebody.
Ungamchitha manje so.
Mina?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, Mina, thank you, coach. Not in a bad way. Not in a bad way.
I don't think they're going to do that.
No, not in a bad way, Mr. K, because when a person says, I'm leaving, Mr. K, do you think that person is going to sit and have his best interest as he's leaving come end of July? No. Let's be realistic. You know, let's forget about other things. He's not going to put his all effort because he knows that even if I don't go through to the next round or I go through to the next round, I go to the final of the World Cup, but I'm going. So why should I keep the person like that? Already he's going. If you then that's where we'll say, okay, coach, let's fix. Because now you are staying. Let's fix how you plan your team, how you select your players, what criteria are you using, and why you bring these young boys in the tournament like this where you need to, that's where you fix because he's staying. But if he's going, then build. Then get somebody that will say, okay, let me start now and look forward to not this World Cup, but the other World Cup. I'm sorry to put it this way. We put Ungezan. And I believe that Ukekana is much better than Ungezan. Much better. And if we had that pair of Ukekana, no Mbogazi, I think we are going to get something. I'm telling you. Because when you look at the mistakes that we did, even when we put 5 defenders,
there were still so many spaces.
And Ukekana, you know why I'm saying Ukekana? Because he knows how to cover those spaces. And when you look at Mbogazi, how he was covering, I think they were going to complement each other very, very well. Because look at, very good example, when you look at how we were attacking using our fullbacks, Cheku Mudau, he was not really comfortable going up. Because he was not comfortable with the cover.
Yeah.
So now he was cautious in terms of going up. But when you look at Umudiba's side, he was comfortable.